This is our video number 3 for our Donaldson 13-ton chiller, as we're starting to get close to the set point of 42. We're down to about 47 right now. By the way, those are the low and high refrigerant pressure switches. Shouldn't have to change those at all either. Those are preset at the factory. It's worth mentioning these Man Europe compressors always seem to run quieter and quite frankly longer than any of the other Danfoss and other compressors we've seen on all the many chillers that come through here. We have two gauges. One here is showing our pressure, water pressure at the heat exchanger, and our main pump pressure also here. Down to 42. We'll probably turn off as I walk around the back here. But here's your inlet, inlet and outlet connections. It's labeled graphically, which is fine. That's coming into the chiller from your process, and then out from the chiller to your process. Directly behind here, when you take off the panel, you'll see there's a water bypass connection in there, and that can be throttled back and adjusted depending if there's any restrictions or if you're using particularly small piping in the for your process flow. This here is a drain if the tank is overfilled, and that's what that graphic is showing you. And that's your inlet, your fill to fill it. Most people just open the lid on that big reservoir. So you probably heard the compressor stop. It's normal. We'll have some residual cooling. We'll go a little bit below that 42 degrees, maybe by 3 or 4 degrees for a second. The fans turn off, and the pump will continue running all the time. Again, this is set up, or as most portable chillers are like this, it's a closed loop style, meaning that same flow and output going out to your process, we're assuming it's going through an exchanger, a coil, or some type of jacket, because that same flow is what's coming back into our chiller. We're going to disconnect this, drain it, post the video, put the covers back on. We're actually building a special skid for it. We're going to be putting some special shock absorbing donuts on it, which our customers bring in tomorrow, and get this unit shipped out. Thank you again. This is Scott from KIG.